Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's clean with me video is going to be the refrigerator. I hate cleaning out the refrigerator, so I don't do it as often as I should. There's a lot of stuff in here that needs to be thrown out and it just needs to be cleaned. So let's go ahead and get started. When I clean, I like to focus on one shelf at a time. I take everything off that shelf, I wipe it down, and then I start putting stuff back away. I don't like to take everything out at one time. It's just too overwhelming for me. So if I work in little sections at a time, it makes it so much easier. The spray cleaning solution that I'm using is a homemade one. It's with vinegar and lemon peels. I'll link the video down below in the description box of how I made this. It's super easy and it does a really good job at cleaning. If you saw my last video of my kitchen organization, you know how much I love these baskets from Walmart. They're 96 cents and they're so versatile. I like to use them for my potatoes. I have to wash it out whenever I clean out the refrigerator because it always is covered in dirt. My 10-month-old kept grabbing the tripod, so I apologize for this video clip being all jumpy. After trying to clean out all the dirt from the potatoes, I remembered that this whole shelf comes out and you can see all the potato dirt gunk built up here. So I can actually clean this out really easily. I have my little helper here who was obsessed with getting into the refrigerator and trying to get all of the things. So now moving on to the next drawer. This is my veggie drawer and I have this little tray here from Walmart and I keep my onions in there, and as you can see there is always a mess in this drawer from the onion skins, so I'm gonna make sure I clean that out. I took out the bottom drawer and look how dirty and gross this is. When you clean out your refrigerator, make sure you remove that bottom part if you can and give it a good clean down below, because I guarantee you it probably looks pretty close to this. With these English muffins, I was gonna freeze half and keep half in the refrigerator, but since I am gluten-free and I can't eat them, I decided to freeze them all so that way they won't go bad before my husband and son can eat them. This is a grape juice mess from who knows how long. Just keeping it real here. And here it is after, all nice and clean. So I have a certain way that I organize the refrigerator. So this top shelf here, we usually have granola up here and we have some juice. The jugs of orange juice is for a baby shower. And then I've got some almond milk back there. We've got eggs and then cheese back there. I've got all our bread right here, and then I've got some cookies there and our tortillas in the back. I've got some sandwich meat here and our nuts back there. This shelf is the leftover shelf, and then this is the overflow produce shelf here. I've got potatoes, lettuce, all that kind of stuff here. And then this is where I keep the majority of the fruit. And this is where I keep the vegetables down here. And then this bottom drawer is for raw meat only. All right, now onto the freezer. I feel like I have no good way to organize this freezer, but I'm gonna go through and try to do the best that I can. I have such a hard time wiping out the shelves in here because it's frozen, and if you get it wet, well, you get the idea. It's just really hard to clean it out, so it's not really that bad, but I'm just gonna wipe it out as best as I can. Now that I've got the inside all cleaned, I'm gonna go ahead and use my all-purpose cleaner and spray down the outside. Since it's stainless steel, it shows a lot of fingerprints, so this cleans it up really well. The very last thing to do is to sweep in front of the refrigerator, because you will be amazed at all of the little crumbs that make its way out as you're cleaning, so make sure you clean that floor. I hope you guys found this video motivating. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.